Hi there, this is Jenny Hall for Trinity Stamps with a quick look at the Sunny Side Up mini March release for Trinity Stamps. We're going to take a quick look through at the stamp sets that are available. The first one is called Slimline Bunnies, and you notice this is the first release with Trinity Stamps new packaging, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. This is a slimline stamp set, and it has some accompanying images and lots of sentiments as well. This stamp set fits perfectly inside the original Misty with no problems at all. The bunnies are in lots of different positions and holding lots of fun objects and lots of expressions. It is just the most fun to create with for Easter and beyond. And that's the Slimline Bunnies. Next we have the Slimline Chicks. Just like the bunnies, it fits perfectly inside the original Misty, or if you don't use a stamping platform, you could place this stamp on your work surface, ink it up with your stamp pad, and then place a piece of paper directly over it and push down with your hand. Working and stamping either way is beautiful. There are lots of little images in the Slimline Chick set with some sentiments as well. Next is the Gnome Bunny, and the Gnome Bunny is just so cute. His little hat is folded up into bunny ears, and some of the objects have hands underneath it so that you can make it look like the gnome is holding the chicken or holding one of the eggs. All Cracked Up is a very quick and easy to use stamp set that's got a few sentiments. It has that adorable little chick as a companion, and this is just the sweetest little gnome. Probably my favorite is Spring in My Step, and this is a really fun stamp set. We've got our gnome here, and he's holding some eggs. He has his little companion, and there are several butterflies, and a nice big long sentiment. We have lots of inspiration from our design team to share with you for this March mini release. The Slimline Bunnies, as you can see here, is really versatile, and it's not just an Easter card, but you can use your favorite Easter sentiments to go along with it. Practice your coloring skills, or you can just use an all-over coloring method. It works really great for some 3D treats as well. Interactive cards work really great for slimline stamp sets too. Just like the bunnies, the Slimline Chicks have that same versatility. Placed with some alphabet dies or just use some ink blending over a piece of paper, and you've got a very quick and easy card with a lot of impact. The small accompanying images work really great for coloring individually on cards. I'm going to put some music on and let you look at some more of the projects, and then at the very end of the video we will share a link into some of the individual products that you can watch the videos and get more details about all of the individual products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget we have an Instagram hop over on Instagram that if you comment and hop through, you will enter for a chance of the Trinity Stamps giveaway. Thanks for watching.